Welcome back. Canada's largest tech conference, Collision, is underway in Toronto, and our John Ehrlichman is on the ground at the conference. John, what can you tell us?
Well, you know, it's interesting, Paul. The biggest theme this year, undoubtedly, is artificial intelligence, with good reason. And yet, navigating through AI, there's so many different themes to explore, including cybersecurity. So I'm pleased to introduce a guest now that is at the center, really, of both of those themes. Wendi Whitmore joining us, who is a Senior Vice President of Unit 42 at Palo Alto Networks. Obviously, our audience will know Palo Alto as one of the key players in the cybersecurity world. Wendi, it's great to have you with us. Thanks very much for your time.
It's great to be here.
Unit 42, first off, what does that mean?
Yeah, it's an exciting term, right? But we are really the business unit that's the eyes and ears on the ground of Palo Alto Networks. So we're comprised of investigators, of intelligence analysts, as well as threat hunters who are continuously analyzing our data and identifying new threats and attack patterns.
Okay, eyes and ears. What are you finding right now?
It is a busy time, right? So you mentioned AI. We're certainly tracking AI and investigating and researching what types of techniques attackers are going to be using moving forward. I think the real story, though, are in these zero-day and one-day, if you will, vulnerabilities that are becoming so widely exploited. So the most recent, of course, is the MOVEit vulnerability, where you've seen hundreds and thousands of organizations being impacted by these vulnerabilities, and a cybercriminal ransomware group called Clop responsible for many of these attacks.
So is it just a reality now that even if you have the best technology and the best security game plan, that you have to embrace the reality that you could be exposed at any given moment?
You know, I think any organization that has any kind of internet attack surface or internet surface can then be leveraged for an attack. So you're right, having the best practices in place first, being able to identify quickly these attacks, those are the way that you're going to be able to limit the impact, but you certainly have to have the ability to continuously identify new attack patterns.
And then we mentioned the fact that you've got all this conversation here at the Collision Conference over artificial intelligence, and everybody's trying to figure out whether that adds another layer of complication to cybersecurity. What would you say to that, Wendi?
I think no doubt it will, right? So many of us in the business of technology, right, we've used AI and machine learning in developing our software for decades, really, at this time, right? And so the reality is the changes in generative AI and how attackers in particular, what we're tracking is how they might be leveraging it. The first impacts we're seeing relate to the human side of attacks. So being able to more effectively have a conversation that previously could have had grammatical errors in it, misspellings, different types of language communications. Now you might see a perfect communication that AI has helped generate.
Does that mean that, sure, the business itself has to be ready, but it's almost like they need to communicate with all of their customers too? Because I can think of a whole bunch of industries that have that consumer-facing interaction, which is increasingly being done through things like chatbots.
Right, so there's a lot of benefit, right, to AI, and I think it's helping so many of us do our tasks more effectively, to communicate with clients more effectively, but we will see on the attack side, the social engineering aspects and the human side of these attacks continuously improve, right? We have seen attackers become really sophisticated at understanding business processes. Now they're able to couple this increased effective communication with that.
We cover a lot of these cyber incidents on our channel, and look, sometimes it's, you know, a hiccup for a few hours of people being able to get transactions done. Sometimes we're talking about massive infrastructure that's impacted. Maybe you could explain to our audience about what Palo Alto is able to do in these moments of uncertainty for big operations, how it all comes together for you.
Right, I think the biggest benefit of Palo Alto is our platform approach, and what that means is we have visibility across the network, across cloud data, across the endpoint, and that allows us to aggregate data very quickly, to analyze it, and then make decisions. And that's exactly what you need to be able to do to be effective against these attackers, is have the visibility and make decisions quickly so that you can determine how do I most effectively protect my organization.
So I guess if I asked sort of the reverse question, you know, yes, there's people who are ready to identify the vulnerabilities. Is your industry much faster at reacting and protecting than it would have been in the past, do you think? Have you come a long way?
100%. We've not only come a long way in terms of the technology capabilities, but I think with information sharing, and that is so critical when it comes to threat intelligence and being able to effectively combat these attacks, is that we are rapidly sharing information, both with technology companies, to our peers and our competitors, as well as to government organizations, so that we can continuously protect the ecosystem.